There's something magical about these waters. Just nestled off the coast, Motuora Island holds secrets that most anglers never discover. Today we're setting out on our mission, out on our stealth kayaks to uncover one of those secrets. You've heard it said that the biggest fish are found in the deep. But what if I told you that some of the largest snapper are lurking right here in just a few meters of water? It's a challenge, yes, but that's what makes the adventure worthwhile. The shallow waters around Motuora are teeming with life, a hidden world where the biggest snapper come to hunt and hide. It's not just about dropping a line and hoping for the best, it's about understanding this environment, knowing where to look and when to strike.
Smoking me, come on!
In today's journey, we'll dive into the shallow waters, revealing the strategy and tactics needed to hook a giant. But first, we need to understand the terrain, plan our approach, and prepare for the battle ahead. This isn't just fishing, it's a calculated mission.
Yeah, I obviously went a bit too greedy there, and I was like, I can see the birds working, and I thought, nah, let's cut away and then go for it. And then lo and behold, the good size of today. 5 do ya? Sure you got enough? Yeah, well, we can find more on the way over. But no, they're good. Might run one out. Yep. Thank you very much, sir. I'll then need to back out. Sweet. Well, that's the easiest bait catching I've ever done. Yep.
This is what makes kayak fishing special. Out there, we look out for each other. It's not just about the fish we catch, but the connections we make along the way. With fresh bait in hand, we're back in the game. Sometimes it's these small acts of generosity that make all the difference. Now let's see if we can turn the bait into something big.
Deep, they're blue anyway, so kind of needed to take them home. There we go, nice fish. Fish. fish for dinner. So we're just cruising around in the shallows now around the edge of the island and towing our live bait behind us. My livey just had a bit of a startle, so something obviously came up and said hello to it. We're in quite shallow water, so it could have been anything. Pretty cool. Paddled about 5-6 k's to get out here. Nice cruisy paddle over, towing live baits behind us. We'll just go around the other side of the island and see what it's like. We've only got a couple of hours to play. Hopefully get some nice footage on the way. Right, things just got a bit exciting. In front of me, a whole lot of fish were jumping up out of the water. Probably with some cutaway, but it's quite shallow, you never know. Livey just got smoked. The way it was cut up, I'm guessing from the big snapper.
The shallow waters around Motuora are more than a pretty backdrop. They're a maze of rocks, gut lines and hidden channels, and it's these narrow paths carved out by the tides where the big moochers like to hide, waiting for an easy meal to drift by. Casting soft baits here isn't about covering ground, it's about precision, finding those natural funnels where the bait fish are funneled in through by the current. These gut lines act like highways for the snapper, guiding them to the perfect ambush spots. I'm working the soft bait slowly, letting it sink down just enough to mimic an injured bait fish. It's all about creating that perfect presentation, sometimes subtle yet irresistible. The goal is to draw out that big moocher, the one who's been lurking in the shadows, waiting for the right moment to strike.
Oh shit. I think it's a snapper. Get him! Come on. Oh, he's fucking smoking me. Come on. He's taking. Right, I've got a nice snapper on. It's coming up. Oh, he's a beast, mate. Oh, he's a beast. He's really well hooked. I think I'm alright. I'm going to try and grab his tail. He's actually lost his tail. Oh, no, don't go on it. There's no tail to grab. Yeah, this one's probably about in the 70s, I think. Oh, God, I can't grab him. Okay, I might need your net, mate. I'll try under the gill. well beat up. Pretty beat up. Oh, here we go. Oh, no. Thank you. That's right. Yeehaw. She doesn't fit in the net. There we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. What a fish! Oh shit, yeah. You want to go back in? He's just under 70, just on 70. Woohoo! What a fish! Get him back in the water. Oh, he's kicking and he's gone. Yeehaw! And he's away and he's back home. Oh, that was cool. Big. Oh, here's another snapper, mate. That followed it's all the way up from like 10 meters and nearly hit it at the surface. Crazy. Not quite as big, I don't think. Yeehaw! I thought I had the live bait out. Yeah, another big snapper. No, I'll see how I go with this one. I'll give it a shout. Not as big, I don't think, but nice fish though. Another nice fish. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeehaw! Nice fish. He's down back there. There he goes. Woohoo! I stick to the, anything over 60 I'm letting go. That was probably right on the line there. Yeah, that was quite an interesting take. So I cast it out and I reckon he hit it within maybe 2 or 3 meters from me. So I followed it all the way up. Just... Alright, time to head back in, I think. Paddle to go. Last really effort at the end of the point here and then slog it out home. Managed to go all the way around the island. Another beautiful day out on the Hauraki Gulf. Very lucky to be able to fish in these areas. Couple of nice snapper today, which is good. 2 big ones going home, which very, very happy about. So we'll chalk that one off as a nice afternoon's fish. Just gonna hand over the live bait that I've got left to one of my other tribe mates who's actually staying on the island tonight. Hopefully he can turn that into kingy. There wasn't really any surface action apart from that one little bit around the southern end of the island, which didn't turn into something that life bait got smacked. Ahoy! Fancy seeing you here, sir. Fancy seeing you here, sir. I'm poked. We've already done 16k. Sorry. That one's a dead one. Do you want it?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No way.
Try to get it dull. You might actually get through.
Nice one.
The amazing thing is, I don't catch a single one of those.
We going to
Jade.
Just joke.
Yeah. No, we started off and we saw some bait, and he stopped to have a whack at the bait, and I was like, oh, the bird's working. So I paddled my ass off over to the bird.
Yeah.
As soon as I got there, they buggered off. So he was like, oh, I'm on the bait here. I'm like, oh crap. So I paddled all the way back, and I couldn't catch a bloody thing. And he had about 15 at that point. So he was like, yeah, have half.
Yeah. You didn't bring us. Where's your 360 camera? Is that it?
Yeah, because
Oh
I'm.
wow. I don't know.
Well, it's supposed to be on the boom, but my GoPro's gone back
Oh, right.
to GoPro because it's
Alright.
yay. So that's why I've got that on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That
But
was
wow,
an easy paddle going across. Oh, no.
you're only halfway.
Yeah, a third is at saddle.
Just say halfway because it makes me feel better because my arm's shot.
Oh, is it?
The bloody snapper I caught was great. It was like rocked out of the water,
Oh, yeah.
cast sort of right at the rock, splash, swimming towards me, and then he just grabbed it and ran straight past me. Like, and Jade was like, oh, it's kahawai. And I'm like, I don't think so. I'm like, oh shit. And he was like, quick, you're going to have to paddle. And I'm like, I don't know what to do because I had a live bait out as well.
Yeah.
Because, we're only in like 5-6 metres of water.
Yeah.
Good day.
Yeah.
All right, mate. Enjoy your
Okay,
evening.
forgot-
At any time I needed it. All right, mate. See ya.
Okay.
Good luck.
Good paddle.
Beautiful afternoon for a paddle. It's ticked over 20 kilometres. Shoulders are going to be a bit sore tomorrow. Hey, just a quick reminder for those that are enjoying my content, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel so that you can see more of these types of videos in the future. That helps me out a little bit as well and tries to get more people seeing the content. So the more you do it, the more I can go fishing. Thanks everyone, really appreciate your support.
As the sun dips below the horizon, it's time to reflect on the day. We came here with a plan, armed with the knowledge and a bit of luck, but the island didn't disappoint. From the thrill of the chase to the satisfaction of the catch, every moment out here has a story to tell. But it's not always about the fish we caught, it's about the journey. The quiet moments between the action, the camaraderie with the fellow anglers, and the connection with this incredible environment. These things are here to stay with you long after the fish are released. Out here, it's more than just fishing, it's about respect for the ocean, for the fish, and for the people we share the waters with. Every trip reminds us of the balance between challenge and reward, and taking and giving back.